Hello, guys. Welcome to live. We're just testing things out here. Hope you don't mind. If you want to join us, give us some input in the chat. Let us know if you can hear music or not. If you can hear me loud and clear, that would be great. Just let me know. Hope to come at you with a show here live soon. Just testing out some new equipment. Welcome. You're stuck to feel like crying. Goes back. Something beautiful's dying. Test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are. Test. We're just going through some songs here, trying to get the music to come through good.
And there's a little white stain on the pocket of your white cotton thread. Well, you drink beer and whiskey, boy, and you know I don't drink red. Found it over in the corner, wadded up on the bedroom floor. You should have hid it in the closet. You should have burned it. You should have lost it. No. You to try. Just be this to the line.
All right, let's try something new here.
Never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. And there's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, but baby, baby, I know it.
Okay, guys. Hope to see you soon. Tune into the new show is called the Kapampangan Experience. Hope to see you soon. We're gonna have morning shows, afternoon shows, and evening shows. Thanks for tuning in. Send us some input if you can hear me okay or not. Can you hear any music at all? I can't hear any music, but we're going to be working on that shortly. Okay. Thank you.
With